Here with my team members today we will be presenting about Nike comprehensive overview. So let's get into the slides. So first one is company's overview. So Nike company was founded in 1964 and has become a premium sports brand with a presence in over 190 countries. The company's revenue reached approximately 44.5 billion in 2021, illustrating its immense influence in the global market, as it has become one of the top brand in athletes sports factor. So talking about history and
We can skip this.
also. So
We should be
talking,
given you can
मेरो पार्टी हुँदैन
say. क्वेसन एन्सर गरिहाल्छु नि त क्वेसन एन्सर ल
हजुर
क्वेसन एन्सर गर्छु कि म र भ्याउँदैन यत्रो ग्रुप धेरै बाँकी छ
के गर्नु
स्किप गरेर
भ्यालु चाहिँ भनाउँछ So talking about values, its main value is they focus on innovation, sustainability, diversity, performance excellence, and social responsibility. So as being a top brand, they should always focus on their things that will hamper them. So the next one is goal. So goal is to enhance athletic performance with cutting edge products, expand global market reach and domains, drive sustainability through eco-friendly material and processes. So now about market strategy and analysis. So market entry and strategy. Market entry strategy, branding and sponsorship. Nike partnered with top athlete sports team and major event to build brand recognition and credibility as they be collaborating with athletes, influencers, top influencers. So retail and e-commerce. It enters new markets. Through local distribution and franchise partner to penetrate new regions. So next one is partnership and franchising, collaborating with local distributor and franchise partner to penetrate new region. Localization and strategy, added product marketing campaign and price to fit the culture and economic condition of each market. So talking about acquisition and collaboration, acquire small brand and collaborate with designer and influencer to strengthen market appeal.
Okay, we can go next.
Now I'd like to call Pradeep Joshi.
So, hello everyone. Now I'll be discussing the SWOT analysis of Nike. Nike SWOT analysis reveals strength in brand recognition and its innovation, weakness in dependence on third party for manufacturing its product, and digital transformation and threats from fierce competition like Adidas, Puma, and other athletics brand. And this SWOT analysis. So talking about the strength, as you know, Nike has a strong brand recognition and global presence in the industry of footwear and apparel. It is innovative in its product designs and technology that helps athletes to increase, boost their performance in a game, and another effect. Strength is it has effective marketing and athlete endorsement. It has top tiers athletes that represents Nike companies. And weaknesses. The first weakness of Nike is that it depends on a third party for the raw materials for the manufacturing of its products. And next is there is a complexity in supply chains to deliver all its products around the world. And talking about next, it has high reliance on footwear sales. only. And the opportunities, and there is an immense opportunity in digital transformation and e-commerce for the Nike, and also there is another opportunity to expansion into sustainable and eco-friendly products that are trending in today's world. And the next is emerging market to direct to consumer sales. So the other opportunities to is to sell directly to the customer, neglecting the suppliers in the middle. And the next trade is, as we know, there are a lot of athletic brands that are competing in athletic footwears, like for example Adidas, Puma, and other New Balance and some other companies. And there is a market saturation in sports industry. So there is the demand has already been made by different brands. So the market is saturated. And the next is changing customer preference and economic downturn. Talking about now the marketing strategy. So Nike doesn't only sell its product; it sells motivation to its customer. Just like wearing Nikes boost their not only boost their performance, it boosts their motivation to work hard. So there's a videos I would like to show if you
How long is the video?
1 minute.
Put yourself first. You can't be confident, so be confident. You can't challenge, so challenge. You can't dominate, so dominate. You can't flex, so flex. You can't fill a stadium, so fill that stadium. You can't be emotional, so be emotional. You can't take credit, you can't speak up, you can't be so ambitious, you can't break records, you can't have any fun, you can't make your man proud, you can't keep score, you can't stand out. Whatever you do, you can't win. So win.
So as we can see, it collaborates with best athletes in the world to motivate and increase their performance in a game. So now I would like to call Karan Silwal to.
Now I'm talking about global supply chain management. Nike global supply chain management focuses on speed and efficiency, utilizing advanced analytics and technology to optimize production and distribution process. They are using move to zero initiative, using recycled material, reducing carbon emission and promoting circular design. The company adopts sustainable practices to minimize environmental impact while ensuring product availability worldwide. And in standardization, Nike employs standardization in its product design and manufacturing process to maintain quality, brand consistent across market. This approach facilitates economies of sales while allowing localized adoption to meet specific market needs. Nike in efficiency, minimize waste and strength its commitment to both business growth and environmental responsibility. Further, I would like to call person.
Talk about management strategies. I'd like to talk about human resource management strategy. Nike human resource management strategy is designed to attract and develop or retain to top talent while fostering innovation, diversity, and strong company culture. Nike attract and develop the new talent in their company to achieve some goal. And talent acquisition and recruitment requirement. Nike offers attractive salary packages, bonuses and stock options to ensure and attract new talent to their industry. And the employee of the Nike receives comprehensive benefits like health insurance, retirement plan, and paid leave, employee discount as well in their Nike product. And talk about employee development and training, Nike offers an internal learning platform like for skill development, encourage continuous learning to the employee and give mentorship program, and provides frequent feedback on their performance in their overall journey. And talking about compensation and benefits, it offers a competitive salary and performance-based bonuses, whereas Nike comprehensive benefit including healthcare, insurance, fitness membership, and stock option as well as employee get the Nike product at a discounted rate. Workplace culture and employee engagement. It encourages performance driven and as a fun and collaborative environment in the workplace. The flexible work option and including hybrid and remote work policies in the Nike factory. It prioritizes the work balance through wellness initiatives. And talking about corporate social responsibility, CSR and sustainability, Nike participates in community services through a Nike volunteering program, and Nike promotes a sustainable goal like as even carbon neutrality and growth initiative in the sustainable field. I would like to call.
Morning everyone. I'll be talking about risk management. Nike implements a complete risk management framework that addresses supply chain vulnerabilities, market fluctuation, and brand reputation threats. By conducting regular assessment and fostering a proactive approach, Nike effectively migrates potential risks, ensuring sustainable operation and maintaining customer trust. Now, in the conclusion, Nike strategies focus on innovative HR practices and robust risk management. Not only supports its current operations but also position the company for future growth. As the global market evolves, Nike is likely to continue leveraging technology and data analytics to enhance operational efficiency and consumer engagement.
Any questions, class? Sabir, any questions for them? No questions. So, in your risk management.